Hello everyone and welcome to Miranda Detailing. In today's video, we're working on this beautiful Land Cruiser. This is going to be a full interior detail. If you want to see the full exterior detail, then click on the card above and enjoy that video after this one.
So we hope everyone is doing well and enjoying the content. If you are, please subscribe and hit that bell. That way you get notifications each time these videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. Now the interior is not that bad, but it still needs a thorough cleaning, so let's get started. So we always start in the front area, dusting and cleaning all these intricate areas, including the dash, cup holders, buttons, and dials, and so on. Once these areas are cleaned and blown dry, we move on to the carpets and seats. Now vacuuming usually takes the longest, so while Jess is focusing on the leather, glass, and other areas, I'll concentrate on brushing and vacuuming all the carpets, the seats, the door panels, and pockets. After I complete each section, starting with the driver's area, I grab the steamer and APC and deep clean those areas further, then blow everything dry with my air compressor. I will repeat these steps all around the vehicle.
Sometimes the cup holders are so gross they need extra attention. So while we have the steamer up here, we blast it with steam, APC, and then dry it with air to make sure it's clean.
Now remember to keep a few inches away from delicate buttons and dials with the steamer, and try not to steam directly into the vents too much because it will leave a lot of moisture in there and it may accumulate and cause problems later. If you need to steam inside the vents, then make sure to have the vehicle's blower on or dry the vents completely with your air compressor. Now, even though the interior wasn't that bad, we still wanted to make sure to clean and steam all areas thoroughly. Now, the tailgate portion was a very intricate area to clean. Using air to purge those areas of dirt and debris will likely make more of a mess, but sometimes it's needed to make sure that these areas are cleaned thoroughly. Just make sure to keep the debris blown out of these areas contained to a small area so it doesn't make more of a mess in the rest of the vehicle.
After the leather seats are cleaned, we apply a conditioner. In this case, we're using a leather and plastic conditioner from Zepp. We will have it linked below. This conditioner produces a nice, rich satin finish and dries to the touch with no greasiness. Plus, it smells great.
So, after a few hours, the Land Cruiser is clean, glossy, protected, and ready to go. We hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss stuff. And make sure to grab a t-shirt, hoodie, mug, or even a pillow with Mr.'s face on it below in the merch shelf.
Have a great week, and we'll see you next time.